Making a delicious chicken sandwich is easy and customizable based on your preferences. Here's a simple recipe for a classic grilled chicken sandwich. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 4 burger buns or your favorite type of bread, lettuce leaves, sliced tomatoes, sliced red onions, pickles, optional, mayonnaise, mustard. Instructions: marinate the chicken. In a mixing bowl, combine olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add the chicken breasts and coat them well with the marinade. Let it marinate for at least 20-30 minutes, or longer if you have time. Preheat the grill or stovetop. If using a grill, preheat it to medium-high heat. If using a stovetop, heat a grill pan or a regular skillet over medium-high heat. Grill the chicken. Once the grill or pan is hot, place the marinated chicken breasts on it. Cook for about 4-5 minutes per side or until the chicken is fully cooked and no longer pink in the center. The cooking time may vary based on the thickness of the chicken breasts. Toast the buns. While the chicken is grilling, lightly toast the burger buns on the grill or in a toaster. Assemble the sandwich. Spread mayonnaise and mustard on the bottom halves of the toasted buns. Place a cooked chicken breast on each bottom bun. Top with lettuce leaves, sliced tomatoes, sliced red onions, and pickles if you like. You can also add cheese or other toppings of your choice. Finish the sandwich. Place the top halves of the buns over the fillings to complete the sandwich. Serve and enjoy. Your chicken sandwiches are ready to serve. They pair well with a side of fries, coleslaw, or a fresh salad. Feel free to customize the sandwich by adding other toppings, sauces, or seasonings according to your taste. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken sandwich.